Meaning of flag football.
Flag football.
Flag football.
Flag football.
Flag football. Flag football is a variation of American football where instead of tackling the opposing player, the defensive team removes a flag or flag belt from the ball carrier's waist. This sport is often played as a non-contact alternative to traditional football, especially at youth or amateur levels. Flag football maintains many of the same rules and objectives as regular American football, including scoring touchdowns, kicking extra points, and capturing interceptions. However, without the physical contact of tackle football, flag football can be enjoyed by players of all ages and skill levels.